Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rakshita S. I am currently studying first sem CSE Engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am belong to the Department of Basic Science of Section Chevrolet. Today's my subject is waste management and I am going to explain environmentally sound solid waste management. Firstly, let us discuss about the introduction to environmentally sound solid waste management ESSWM, which stands for Environmental and Social Safeguards in Waste Management. ESSWM is a comprehensive approach that ensures the protection of the environment and social well-being during a project implementation. The goal of environmentally sound solid waste management is to minimize our negative impacts on the environment and communities. And let us discuss the importance of environmentally sound solid waste management. Environmentally sound solid waste management helps to prevent environmental degradations and pollutions. It promotes a sustainable development and ensures the well-being of communities. It also reduces health risks and improves overall quality of life. And the key components of environmentally sound solid waste management. Environmental impact assessment, which identifies a potential environmental impact of a project. Social impact assessment, which assesses the potential social impacts on communities. Waste management plan outlines the strategies for a proper waste disposal and a recycling. And EIA, which stands Environmental Impact Assessment. Here we can observe the environmental impact assessment which exists on the earth sciences, life sciences and social sciences. EIA assesses the potential environmental effects of a project. It identifies and evaluates impacts on air, water, land and biodiversity. EIA helps in the decision making process and suggests a mitigation measures. Social impact assessment. Social impact assesses the potential social impacts of a project on communities. It examines factors such as livelihoods, cultural heritage, and social cohesion. Social impact assessment involves a stakeholders' engagement and ensures their concerns are considered. Here we can see the figure 3 stages in social impact assessment. The step 1 is baseline conditions, step 2 is the public involvement, step 3 is project description and identification of alternative, the step 4 is a screening, step 5 is scoping, step 6 is predicting a responses to impact, step 7 is management and monitoring. And the waste management plan. Waste management plan outlines the strategies for waste reduction, reuse and recycling. It ensures a proper handling, storage and disposal of waste. Waste management plan resources efficiency and minimizes the environmental impact of waste. And what are the benefits of environmentally sound solid waste management is which protects our ecosystems and maintains a biodiversity. It improves air and water quality, reducing the health risks. Environmentally sound solid waste management, which promotes a sustainable development and a social well-being. And the challenges faced by India in a solid waste management to implement environmentally sound solid waste management, which a lack of awareness and understanding among us stakeholders, insufficient funding and resources for effective implementation, limited capacities and expertise in environmentally sound solid waste management practices. And the best practices in environmentally sound solid waste management are think strategically, analyze and plan, Strengthen engagement capacities, design the process and engage, act, review and report. Early engagement of stakeholders to ensure their concerns are addressed. Integrating environmentally sound solid waste management considerations into a project planning and design, monitoring and evaluating the effectiveness of environmentally sound solid waste management measures. And the case study that helps to successfully the environmentally sound solid waste management implementation, which provides an example of a project where ESSWM was effectively implemented, highlight the positive environmental and a social outcome, discuss the key factors that contributed the success of environmentally sound solid waste management in the project, and what are the future trends in environmentally sound solid waste management. Here we can observe the environmental sound solid waste management trends or exactly exist in a future. Integration of technology and digital tools for more efficient monitoring and reporting, emphasizes on a circular economy principles and waste reduction strategies, strengthening international stance and guidelines for environmentally sound solid waste. The last is the conclusion. Environmental sound solid waste management is vital for a sustainable development and protecting the environment. It ensures a social well-being and minimizes a negative impacts on our communities. By implementing environmentally sound solid waste management, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.